Hello everyone, welcome back to this video, and specifically welcome back to the channel. Alright, in this video we are going now to look at the response for item 4. Okay, remember we said under our video on structures of paper, we said paper 1 will have two parts. That's part 1 that will be answering the construct of ICT systems operation and maintenance. Then in the second part would be the construct 4 for digital communication and emerging technologies, and that's why we are finding item 4. And item 4 will come from the topics of the internet and digital communication, then artificial intelligence and related technologies. Okay, so let's look at item 4 and we'll cross over the responses. Okay, they are saying a new chatbot platform is being tested to help farmers learn the new farming methods and address the most of their day-to-day information needs. Okay, as farmers interacted with it, they expressed some concerns about the platform. Okay, requesting too many responses before they log in, this difficulty in relating some of the commands on the interface with their information needs, accidental access to other user information, okay, while browsing the platform. You are part of the programming team behind this chatbot platform, and you have read this report, okay, from the sample targeted users. Task: as a student, prepare a detailed document describe steps which should be taken to improve the platform so that they can perfectly serve the farmers' needs. So you can see that the question comes from the internet and digital communication, then the artificial intelligence and related technologies. For example, if a student have never covered that topic, wouldn't know what a chatbot platform is. Okay, let's cross over the responses and see what possible responses can be available for it. Okay, you can see the response: improving the chatbot platform for farmers. Introduction: chatbot platforms are important in helping farmers access agricultural information quickly and efficiently. However, farmers using the new chatbot platform have raised some several concerns, including complicated login procedures, difficult interface commands, accidental access to other users' information. So this document will provide a recommendation for improving of the platform so that it is effectively serve the farmers' needs. Let's look at the step-by-step steps to improve the platform. Okay, 1, they should simplify the login process. Okay, what should be done? Should make sure they reduce unnecessary questions during the login. Okay, allow login using phone numbers and emails, and maybe support a fingerprint and OTP authentication. This should make the access easier for platform for farmers. Okay, another one: improve on the user interface design. It should use simple language. Okay, use clear icons and buttons that are very relevant and very well known to farmers. Display instructions in their local language. Okay, this will help farmers understand the commands easily. Okay, add voice support features. Okay, for the voice-based interaction should be added. Support farmers who have low reading and typing skills. Okay, improve on the navigation on the platform. Use clear menus, provide search features, and organize information into categories. Okay, then what next? Strengthen the data security. The platform should require secure passwords. Okay, encrypt the user information and restrict unauthorized access. This will have prevent now the accidental access to other users' information. Okay, then introduce user accounts and permissions. Make sure each farmer should have his personal account and have restricted access. Okay, he can only access his own account. Conduct user testing very well. Okay, good chance they are telling us that this platform was very new and they are in the user testing. So here, conduct user testing very well and should conduct regularly. test the platform and provide feedback for improvement. Okay, improve the system performance. The programming team, okay, since you're on a programming team, make sure that you fix the bugs, improve the loading speed, and ensure the compatibility with the mobile phones. Here we are seeing a student at least who learned ICT concepts, bringing them here. Okay. Now, provide an offline access. Okay. Some services should work online without internet connection, because in rural areas, you may experience poor connectivity of the internet. Include agricultural learning resources. Okay. For example, videos, images, okay, farming guides, weather updates, and marketplace information. Let's look at the best practices for effective platform management. Okay, as a team of somebody who is on a programming team and you're a student, please make sure there is regular update, system update. Okay, software should be updated regularly and frequently to improve security and performance. Make sure there is user training. These farmers should be trained on how to use the platform effectively. Okay, make sure there are customer services, support. Okay, maybe the help desk and maybe the helpline. Support team should be available to assist the users. Backup and recovery systems for the data of the system. So data backup of the system should be established to improve the information loss, prevent the information loss, Okay. So in conclusion here, we are seeing that simplifying the login process, you improve the user interface, strengthening security, and providing user-friendly features will help the chatbot platform to effectively meet the farmers' information needs and improve the agricultural productivity of the area. There you would have answered very well item 4 with these responses. Okay? And you would have given it the required responses. So since we have finished item 4, we would have to now cross over to paper 2, and we'll see also the response, how we can respond our paper 2 work. Okay? For now, thank you for following and thank you for being good viewers. You can subscribe, you can like, and you can give me comments, okay, in the comment section below. Okay, all right. So that is it. As for now, thank you very much.